we're gonna learn how you can set up and use the Tor browser on Android. After the first time installation of Tor on the Play Store, let's open it. It will give you this screen, which will ask for a connection to Tor. We're gonna come back to this in a while. Tap on settings on the top right side. Let's set up Tor firstly. Inside the general settings, tap on search option. We can customize default search engine. Currently it's on DuckDuckGo. You might like to change default search engine to Google, so tap on add search engine. Name the search engine Google and input the search string URL. Once you input this, tap on save. Now you've got the Google search engine added here and you can select it. Go back. And you can even manage alternative search engines. Select the search engines that you want to appear on the URL box on the home screen. Go back. And it's always a better option to enable all these options here. And then go back. And default browser, if you want to set the Tor as a default browser, set here. And then select Tor browser here, set as default. Now comes the main setting here, privacy and security. Tap on security level, it's on standard. If you want Tor to be more safe, go to safer option, but it can break some websites. So let's set it to standard, go back. And make sure to enable the HTTPS mode, enable this option, go back, allow the notifications, allow, go back, scroll down. Now we have come to the connection, that's the main setting inside the Tor browser. It contains the bridge configuration option, which is awesome and important. Tap on config bridge. Bridges are generally used to bypass censorship. If you use the bridge, the most commonly used one is OBFS4. That helps to maintain anonymity. There's a detailed video on Tor bridges. The video link is given in description. Just go there and watch the video. Let's not use the bridge for now. And then go back. And there's this one option, connect automatically. We had seen this option at the time of opening the Tor browser for the first time. So just enable it, connect automatically. And there's the extension support, tap on extensions. We can get more extensions by tapping and find more extensions. You'll be able to add Mozilla Firefox extensions. Go back. Once everything is done, go back and tap on connect here. And thus now you can use internet. It's totally safe, private, anonymous browsing. Let's do a Google search. While using Tor, your location will change frequently because Tor uses VPN. Internet speed in Tor will be a bit slow. None of your browsing history is saved on Tor. Whenever you exit the browser by going to quit, everything will be closed and nothing will be saved. If you open it once again, it will establish a new connection. You can also close all tabs on Tor browser by swiping down on the status bar and just tapping on this notification. It closes all the tabs. So that's how you can use the Tor browser.